Want to turn your TikTok account into a business account? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to switch your TikTok account to a business. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app. Tap Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Settings and Privacy. Now look for the Account section and tap it. Look for the option to switch to business account. Tap it, then follow the instructions TikTok gives you. TikTok currently supports different account types, including personal and business accounts, and provides an option to change your account type in the app. Now, choose a category that best describes your business. Select the category that matches what you do, then continue. Here, you can add your email to connect with your customers directly. Or you can just skip it. Then you can add a bio to let your customers know more about your business. You can also skip it. And that's it. You've successfully switched your TikTok account to a business account. Thanks for watching.